Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Irene Ermac de la Cruz. I am 35 years old, married, and have 3 children. Ages 12 years old, 8 years old, and 5 years old. And I am a graduate of 2-year computer programming.
Do you have working experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I have a 4 years experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid. And I have 2 employers. My first employer is a Filipino, and I started working them on April 15, 2007 until May 15, 2009. I take good care of 2 children, ages 6 months and 10 years old. My second employer is also a Filipino, and I started working them on August 20, 2010 until August 30, 2012. I take good care of 1 child, age 5.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My responsibilities in my previous job is taking care of newborn baby, preparing their foods, and ironing, washing their clothes, washing their dishes, and all the household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take care of the children by loving them and preparing their foods, feeding them, and I will make sure that they were clean and healthy, and I will serve them as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Sir, Madam, I am 2-year graduate computer programming, and I am very good in cooking, especially in Filipino foods, and like guisado and sinigang and adobo. And I'm very much willing to learn when it comes in cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
It is necessary to be a hardworking when it comes to be a domestic helper. You should have hardworking and honest, reliable, respectful, obedient, have good characteristic, and you do multitasking and God-fearing.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Sir, Madam, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will serve you very well, and I will respect your whole family, and I will love you, and I will treat you as my own, and I promise that I will finish my contract. That's all, and thank you, and God bless.
Thank you, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.